to our next demo. In our last demo, we added a couple more paths to manage portfolios and stocks in portfolios. This one we're going to add a path, and the other paths we added were collections where it had multiple. Let's add one that is a single object. So we're going to start with, we're going to call this our favorite stock. And I'm going to call this a single. And because it's a single, we aren't going to use a delete or a post. It's just a get and a put. We will support that. And because it's a stock, I'm going to reuse my resource. So I'm going to click save. And you'll see there, we now have get and put of our favorite stock. So I'm going over to my path data. I'm going to fill one in there. And I'm going to put my favorite stock is AMZN. And we'll say Amazon. And I'm going to click save. So notice that we can't create more resources of this. It's a single resource. And that stuff happens with APIs. So now if we wanted to give this a try, let's go try our favorite stock API. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to say get it. And I'm going to go execute. And you'll see there is Amazon XAPI. And there's my favorite stock. Let's say I wanted to change that to Tesla. I could come in, put this in here, or I could change the names. Let's say I change that to Tesla and to Tesla, hit execute. And you'll see there was our put. And that's our response body to say Tesla. And now when I come back up here, I'll hit execute on the get, and you'll see now we get Tesla. So you'll see that in this demo, we added in a new API path, one that just had a single resource, not a collection like our others. We updated it and we ran our try API and deploy. So now what we can do is add our next deployed iteration, which means we'll say added favorite stock, single resource. So I will deploy this. So now each time we add a new iteration, as I said before, it doesn't affect anything. You can see your different iterations right here. And if I wanted to try this out, I can grab the Swagger UI link. Note I can put whatever API key I want in there by pasting it and then copying it. And then we'll add this in here. And you'll see now there's our favorite stock. And I come in, I click get, try it out. And you'll see there's the curl command with the endpoint key, Tesla. Okay, and that concludes our next demo where we wanted to show how to use a single resource path. Thank you.